What up, YouTube? JK Noka here. Hot as fuck today. We are taking out this greenhouse. Has got to go. Putting in a new one. This one has seen better days. Keeping the two vents. Those two vents open and close when the humidity or air. The wires run over here to this unit right here. It tells it when to turn on and off. And then that fan turns on. But other than that, it's all gonna go. Seen better days. Time for a new one. So, 100 degrees. JK Noka. Working on a Sunday. Ripping apart this old greenhouse. Peace out.